it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday. You see it on the mask. I'm getting ready to go on a little grocery store vibe for some vegan snacks. Let's see what we find. Let's see. I've been seeing these on Instagrams or whatever. We're gonna try it. Here we go. What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I feel like it's been a minute since I did a taste test, a review for you. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. You saw me headed into the grocery store, headed down the snack aisle, looking for some vegan snacks. And what I'm going to be sampling for you today is some pigless pork rinds by Pig Out. I'll be sampling two flavors today. We have nacho cheese and hella hot. So before we get into this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And the way we decide if the snack is good is if I say that it's popping or not. So let's get into it. Y'all, I don't know which flavor to try. Let's go ahead and try the nacho cheese. Okay, please hold. Let's go ahead and get a whiff test. Right, I'll put this up to the camera. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see that? Okay, so that's what we look like. Here we go. Let me start by saying this. I've never actually had pork rinds before. Prior to being vegan-ish, I just didn't eat pork, so I can't say if they taste like a pork rind, but I can tell you if the flavor is good. I will say it has this smokiness to it, which I guess is to make it reminiscent of that meat flavor. The nacho cheese isn't super strong, but it's there. It's got a good crunch on it. But I don't know. Let's see what this flavor's talking about. Again, with the whiff, I'm nervous, y'all. And I keep getting the biggest ones. It's too big. Okay, this one definitely looks well coated with the seasoning. Okay. So again, same good crunch. Smokiness is not as upfront in your face, but it is there. In terms of spice, I know it's supposed to be hella hot. It's one of those things that kind of creeps up on you. I can tell that after eating a couple of these, you're gonna feel it back there like, oh, what's that? Right off rip, like I enjoy this flavor more than the nacho cheese. So let's see. I'm definitely gonna say that the hella hot is boosting the rating for me. And I'm gonna give it a poppin'. I'm giving this one the poppin'. This one, it's okay. So I really wanna hear from you guys what you think if you go to the store and you see these, especially if you're somebody who's ever had pork rinds. Let me know how it measures up. That's what I'm really interested to hear about in the comment section below. And just your thoughts on this video and what other things you want me to review. All right, it's been real. You already know. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.